Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the monster elephant from Zoonomaly. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw 2 large circles for the eyes. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another circle on the outside to create a border. And now let's color both of these rings in black. Next, hop inside and let's draw another circle. And then color the inside circles in black. Now let's move next to each eye and let's draw a large curve around and down. Now let's move back in and draw the nose. Let's draw a small teardrop shape underneath in the center. And then one more on both sides. And now let's color these in black. Next, let's hop underneath and add the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. And then a longer U shape underneath. Next, let's hop inside and draw the teeth. At the top, let's draw a long skinny V shape. And now let's do the same thing, working our way out on both sides. And now let's do the same thing for the bottom row. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw another U shape underneath for the shape of the jaw. And then hop up to the top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. Next, on the sides, let's add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line out and then bring it down. And the same thing on the right side. Now from the ends, let's draw another wavy line back into the side of the mouth. And that's it for the head. Next, let's add the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 angled lines down for the first leg. Then underneath, let's angle it out to the left and another line down underneath. And then close off the bottom of the foot with a curve across. And now let's add some curves inside for the toes. Now at the top of the leg, let's draw a small curve over on the right. And then 2 curves down for the next leg. Then at the bottom of the lines, let's continue it downwards. Now let's add the foot in the same way. Let's draw 2 angled lines at the bottom, and then a curve. And again, let's add the toes. And that's it for the front 2 legs. Now top up underneath the ear, and let's draw a wavy line down for the back. Now for the next leg, let's draw 2 curves down again. And then bring them down at the bottom. And then add a foot in the same way as the other 2. Next, to finish off the body, let's draw a curve in between these 2 legs. Now let's add the last leg behind. In between the front 2, underneath the belly here, let's draw a line down. Then at the bottom, let's angle it out and curve it back in for the foot. And now let's add 3 curves inside for the toes. And that's it for the monster elephant. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!